New house alert. Don't let no nigga ever tell you hard work don't pay off, my nigga. Real project nigga. Real project nigga. You keep going up or we can stop. Have a little vibe right there in the jacuzzi. Keep going up. You know what I'm saying? Real shit. Never let nobody tell you hard work don't pay off. Like, see what's going on up here. Smoke shit up here, another bar. I'm telling my dog how we used to have to jump people's fences just to hit the pool. We used to go in other neighborhoods and goddamn it, had to sneak to get in the pool. I gotta clean them motherfucker out, but yeah, what it is, you know what I'm saying? We in the cave with it. Caveman shit.